I'm gonna try to be quiet right now. I mean, there is some huge noise out here, like something's walking through the weeds and shit. Did you hear that? It it quit moving too. Yeah, but it waited like 5. Is that you dragging shit? What the fuck is all the noise? We're on a river right now, man, and it's dark, and you wouldn't be able to do it. Our people's too much of a cowards, man. Yeah, it's a shame. I just heard that. It's like bloop in the water. It's like bloop. There's something in the water. We'll go for 3 minutes. Fuck it, it's only 54 seconds. But she's not paying attention to shit. What's over there? Huh? She's not looking at nothing. Maybe that's why. Maybe we're on a nest or something. Something's going on. That's wishy-washy. That's normal. That's like it has like a little rumble to it, like waves on the beach. I don't give a fuck about it. You know what? We don't die here anyways. Fuck it. That's her. Okay, that's her. Okay. That's what the fuck that noise is. She's so excited. I ain't watching her, man. I'm trying to watch TV. Now, damn it! Fucking daddy's got the willies, man. What a puss. You couldn't do it, man. You wouldn't have no faith. It'd save the country if you did. I mean, we could try. I mean, that's all I gotta say about it. My favorite candy bar today. $4 man. Somebody bought it for us. It's nice of us, man. Got 20 seconds left. I'll put up a 3-minute short. We're in Huntley, Montana. This better than hobo shoestring, man. Fuck trains, man. Walk down the interstate and watch people make fun of you and laugh at you and you're panhandling and how brutal we are, man. They bombing women and children. Yeah, she's screwing around down there. That's what it is. She's hunting. She making all the damn noise. If you want down the water, I'll move the bike. I mean, shit. I mean, fuck. Oh well. Consby, man. That dang tiger cash app. We're out, man. It's crazy. I can't believe that.